Now, Bing is the second largest search engine, and they also control Yahoo's search network. So you really have Google for about 2/3 of the search results, and then you have Bing for, I guess, close to 30%. You want to set up a Bing Webmaster Tools account just in case people find you through Bing. It's going to help you out with your analytics over there and being found within Bing's search engine. So if you don't already have a Microsoft account, if you have Skype or you use OneDrive, their cloud service, you probably already have one. If not, sign up, really easy, name, email address, all that good stuff. And then you go to bing.com/toolbox/webmaster and you would click sign in, you'd enter your name and password. And then once you've done that, you would see this. This would be like your dashboard for Bing Webmaster. And up at the top, you would just, in the add a site box, you'd type in the website that you want to add to the Webmaster Tools, and you'd click add. You'd enter your URL there. You could add a sitemap just like we did with the Yoast plugin. And then it asks you when you receive the most traffic for this site. You don't have to add those if you don't want to. If you just want to add the URL, just click add. So this meta tag here, this piece of code within the quotation marks is your authentication code to show that you control that website. So if you copy the whole thing, just Control C, or you can right click, and you go into your Yoast plugin. Now it has this little menu on the left side once you've installed the Yoast WordPress SEO plugin like we did several times in the website analysis section. And you just click on dashboard. You'll see this, and if you scroll down, you'll see you have your Google Webmaster Tools from when we entered that information. And right above it is the Bing Webmaster Tools. So you just paste that thing in there and then just erase all of the quotation marks and other words with the exception of the numbers and letters. And then you just click Save Changes. So now the settings are saved. You go back and then click Verify. So now you can start seeing your analytics. You can start seeing your most popular words. You can do keyword research. And you can also set up your sitemap in here as well. If you go to Configure My Site, top option you'll see Sitemaps here. You don't have to click on it, just go over here and click Submit a Sitemap. And then in this space right here, you're going to put your URL for the sitemaps just like you did with the Google Webmaster Tools. So if you go into your WordPress dashboard, you go to the SEO WordPress by Yoast. Go over to XML sitemaps. Click the XML sitemap button. And then just grab the URL. Go back here and put it in there. Click Submit. And now it's pending, and you should get approval pretty quickly.